mycket bättre än vad jag trodde. Han svängde in där. Okej. Fan vad bra den gick. Porschen. Vad jag ser nu. Hello and good morning. I want to demonstrate the duality of the BMW M5 F90 M5 competition. Everything in comfort. We have this 5 Series that could be a 520D. Sorry for this GPS, so take it away. I mean, you don't even hear transmission noise. It's no double clutch, it's just a super silky smooth automatic. I'm gonna do a run here, or a drive in super comfort. I would say the extremes of the M5 between the super comfortable and luxurious and relaxing and the hardcore have not been as wide as it is now with the M5 competition. It can be so smooth with even fully autonomous driving like this. An active speed limiter even down to 0. Perfect for queue traffic. You can sit like this, like basically reading a newspaper or a book with a full autonomous driving. Remember in the M5 E60 you didn't even have the active cruise control because it took space from the cooling. And with a touch of a button, M1 button, MDM 4-wheel drive sport, automatic, and we have exhaust. Everything is in most hardcore setting, and it's just a complete animal. I mean, you're afraid to floor it too much. The vision, you cannot comprehend, the eyes cannot comprehend it. It's like, it's an insane animal. I mean, I didn't have time to comprehend the vision there. Just too brute. Everything happens too fast. I mean, this is and Porsche 991 doesn't have nothing on this. I mean 992. It's just crazy. And it's so not correct, but it's just perfect. It's exactly as an M5 should be. You respect it. But it's as safe as anyone M5 could be, or it's the safest M5 that has ever been produced because it has 4-wheel drive. Let's try a launch control here. Okay, I didn't have it in automatic mode. Can't have any bystanders. Now I have more sound as well. Okay. There, I was a bit too stressed. I didn't. All right. 7.5, 3.2 to 100. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Ja, 10,9, 0 till 200, 0 till 103,3. Ja, det är 0,1 tappar på att ha passagerare.
Ja, ja, det är ju inte världens lättaste, det är ändå 80. Ja, jag är 85 kilo ungefär, så att ja.
Nej, det påverkar ju faktiskt, det får man ju säga. Wow. What a brutal monster. You just want to wait for a like Lamborghini Urus or I don't know Huracan, but regular Huracan, not Performante. But something exotic, just to put everything in place, because this is a brutal maniac monster car, and in this color it's just perfect. It's a fire breathing brutal maniac of a car, which in this, it's not sparkling sapphire, but it's jumping blue. No, it's I'm so tired now, I forgot, because I've been driving for like 20 hours in a row. But what a beast of a car, crazy. Gucci, why not? Long wheelbase, why not? 993, why not? Okay, final run. Maybe 10.4 again, 3.2.